This is HP NV Aspire 7220E. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 3-in-1 if you like, in the sense you can copy, scan and print from this gear. This printer is dual band. You can connect it via Wi-Fi network and USB cable connection. Right now this printer is connected via Wi-Fi network. Show you how to load the ink cartridges. Open. So the ink cartridges, this is the ink cartridges corner, and once you open it up, so 303, so the colored one goes to the left and the black goes to the right. You can see, so the color goes to the left, black to the right. Okay, so this is what we're going to do right now, is for us to load the ink cartridges. So this is pull. This is 303 black. So you go in straight in. Okay. You hear click sound. Do the same thing to the triple color. .303 triple color. Just need to pull. Okay, go in. You hear click sound. Now the next thing to do is just gently close. Here we go. So right now this printer is getting ready.